Alright, let's turn the key on.
Where are they? Inside?
Yep. Yep.
Don't do this at home, kids.
So back battling the weather once again, day number 2 technically, a week later, to finally get this on the road and moving. One cat is on, one cat is fully in. We're just working on the second one now, and then we can finally get the spoils of starting it and hearing what it'll sound like, and then probably end up regretting getting all the mufflers and then ordering the section which is just a straight pipe out the rear. It sounds like something I would do at least, so
Sounds like something I'd do.
it's definitely something I'd do, but we're keeping it family friendly so far.
How to lower it with JC built and RWWC. Alrighty. Don't touch it with your bare fingers. Don't touch it with your bare fingers. It'll be nice and hot.
I mean, I do hope it is loud, but I'm not expecting it to be overly loud.
Do you want to pop the bottom, make sure nothing's dangling in front of anything going?
Probably an idea.
Oh,
Let's see this one.
yep, we're all good.
Alright, if it starts.
Should start.
So it is currently 7:06 p.m. I'm not going to lie to you and say it's our first drive, because it's not, because I brought it here. So it's done, it's finished. 200 cell cats, twin 3-inch the whole way down. Black Ops, twin 3 from the center back. JC built cat converter pipes. Pacemaker 1 7/8 at the front end. pretty happy with everything, the way the whole thing sits out and the way it feels out. Yes, it's dirty, don't get me wrong, but it sounds great. Not too loud. Probably would like it to be a little bit louder, but for family spec it is appropriate. So we are now going to go and take it for a drive, put the GoPro on. I'll put a microphone on us in the middle, and we'll put a microphone in the boot to hopefully get it in the boot. But we'll what are you doing?
No, I was just having a suss.
We'll
the heat shield.
see how we go. Alright, we'll get a hopefully my little fluffy does a good enough job of keeping out the wind noise here. What?
It's got a flat battery.
Fuck off, it does.
It won't start.
Fuck off.
I'm serious.
Start it, you fuck.
I'm serious.
Fuck off, idiot.
That's it.
What do you mean, cunt? Fuck off. You're actually taking the fucking piss. Oh, get fucked. That's like dead. Fuck me. Yeah, I think we solved one problem. Alright. Any terminals, how fucked are they? Are they like full fuck-eyed? I mean, they're not great. They need to be replaced, that's for sure.
It's like nothing
It's
exists.
like it doesn't exist at all. Yeah, right. Well, alright. Well, that's created one problem. So, oh, it looks like I'm getting an Uber to go get the Ranger, and we'll pick this back up shortly, I guess. Oh, give her a crank, start her up. Yeah, it's a good note. Don't know what happened with the battery, but fuck it.
the old battery decided it wanted to play funny buggers with us.
Yeah, we'll take it. It's the first time that's ever done that, so fuck it. Alright.
Just getting used to the clutch.
Make sure the lights are on, mate.
They are on.
They're on. So, microphone in the boot.
By the way, I know zero way around this town.
That's alright. Microphone on the dash to hopefully pick us up. We're just going to put the windows up a little bit.
That's alright, mate. I'm just...
Because I'm a bit cold. I don't know about you. So just, no matter what you do, don't touch the fucking high beams, alright?
I fixed your front bar already.
So take a left and then take a right, and we'll jump out onto the main road.
Oh yeah, she's a nice...
Just
nice
watch out,
bar.
honestly, just watch out for the bar here, because it fucking hates it.
Anyone would think I have a lowered car.
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah, there's a short shifter in here. Not used to that.
Yeah, she's a touch on.
Which way we going?
Take a right, mate.
I'm pretending I know my lefts and my rights here. It's got a nice feel to it though, the clutch. I'll be honest.
Yeah, I'm fairly confident it's a I'm fairly confident it is a aftermarket.
Yeah, I reckon you're on the money.
I wouldn't say it's a stock clutch, so whether I'm about to waste $1,000 on a new one.
Oh, it's better to have it than not.
Yeah, because it literally is like crap.
Yeah, you're not wrong.
Yeah.
And I'm driving in work boots, so...
Oh, that's alright. And it's got no rubber, which makes it even harder. You slip on the fucking thing.
Oh,
Oh, don't stall.
not on the first day. Yeah, this is a very stiff clutch. Anyone who thinks it's me fucking first day driving manual,
Yeah.
where are we going?
Take it straight.
Just to let you know, guys, he lives in an area that has 999 red lights. So.
She's a heavy girl, and if you don't put enough boot into it, like to rev it.
Yeah, you're not wrong.
I say, make sure you put the revs into it.
Oh yeah, it's got a nice bite to it now when you get the RPMs into it.
Yeah, it hits and it grabs hard.
Yeah,
which is good.
When she bites, she bites.
So it has me a bit worried about going a stronger one.
The button clutch should be softer than this. I'm going to say that. This feels like some form of Exceedy heavy duty.
It's the hard part about buying second-hand cars is you don't know.
Yeah, it's not like they give you the receipt.
Yeah, you don't know what you're getting.
Also, I know where the no cameras are. It's nice and dark in here. This is actually lovely to drive.
It is good, isn't it?
Yeah. After you take about 4 or 5 minutes to get used to the clutch and work boots.
Put some revs into it,
mate. Yeah, I know. I'm used to my own car. We're using both lanes.
Yeah. I'd say it's a 60 here, but...
That's alright. We're not going faster than 60 anyway.
Sounds good. It's got a good back crackle. I like it.
It's got a very nice back crackle.
In cab
View, it's not obnoxious.
It is great in here. You can hear it. I'm sure it'll probably sound great from out there. It'll make me feel like I need to pull my window up.
Sorry, mate.
It'd be nice to hear it from outside, but
I'll be honest. I've got 3-inch diff dumps, and this is so much more tamer to drive. It's not like, oh my god, I can't wait to get out of this.
It's much more pleasant.
Yes.
Especially now we're cruising at 60.
Yeah.
And you can't hear it.
No, you're not stock, but when you really want people to know you got a V8, you know.
Yeah. I still think I'm going to order that.
Oh, you'll end up with the straight pipes for the back.
For the rear, yeah.
Don't blame you on that. That's for when you really want to be a little bit reckless.
And then...
that's for when the ute comes out and you've got yours out, and then it's who's got a bigger exhaust competition.
And then for summer nut season,
oh yeah,
the diff dumps will be great.
Might have to take my diff dumps off and put them on this.
Maybe. Might save me a bit of money then.
Yeah. I'll tell you.
Man's been to the car wash. Yeah, now we're learning. Bit of boot.
I'll tell you what this thing needs is a rubber on the clutch pedal.
Yeah.
Because it is very slippery on a boot that has a...
yeah. But don't worry, when I did the video the other day, I had my boots on and you can just hear the sound of it.
The sound of the rubber on the boot.
The squeak constantly of it rubbing along.
We're in a 70 now. Oh. Got a little bit of drone in fifth, as we're pulling at 70. It's nice.
But even still, not really, considering that the centre is open.
Well, yeah, that's true.
That centre is open, which is going to be letting...
we kind of need to have a little window crack to see.
There we go.
See how loud it is.
We'll see if it's much better now. What do we want to do? Crack a window? We can crack a window.
I don't know if we should crack a window to see what she sounds like,
So I'm fairly confident we're going into an 80.
I hope so.
Yeah, don't drive it home. It's crap.
Bloody Ranger drivers, I tell you.
Yeah, I noticed you took the left lane. Should have just taken the right. That way you have free spirit.
Sorry. We've got a V8, mate.
The old candles for headlights.
Yeah, I was thinking that. Sorry, it's a habit.
Alright, just put her in third. Just give it a bit. Let her eat a little.
Let her eat, you reckon?
Yeah. Give it a little bit of food.
The short shifter is different.
To be fairly accurate. Can't, mate. This guy wants to race us for sure in the little Mazda 3.
In the Mazda?
Oh. Yeah. Oh, ride the clutch, big boy.
Oh, I like the short shifter.
Hold on.
Oh.
You do a U-turn?
A U-turn?
Yeah, I think you left some of the clutch back there.
Fuck off, idiot. You're an idiot. You said go, let her eat. I'll let her eat, alright.
Well, you let it eat. The fucking transmission ate all of that clutch. Fucking hell.
Shit, son. Stop it.
We're still trying to find second.
I found all the gears, I just didn't get the launch that we wanted. You know where I went wrong? I'm not wearing me trusty old Crocs.
Oh, fuck off. Fuck, you need a muffler on that dog. We'll turn right here, mate.
Turn right here?
Yeah.
Good copy.
Fucking hell.
I genuinely thought I left something behind. You left the clutch behind. Yeah, no worries, Cobra. At least you got more clutch than me.
Yeah, well.
If I'd have done that, I probably would have left me diff and me transmission behind and the clutch would have been spinning on the motor.
The tailgate probably would have swung open.
Fire off a button.
Yeah.
Oh, why couldn't I get that takeoff last time? Jeez, that was a min takeoff. Oh, I think I left second gear back there.
Yeah, it's alright. Yeah, she's got a good bit of pull.
It's not bad. It'd be nice to put this up against me ute before you got cammed, but that might be optimistic.
Yeah. Yeah, not unless you plan on, we plan on doing something in the next, like, 4 days.
Yeah, well, yeah.
Bit of a spoiler alert there, but that's alright.
Copy that. Well, we all knew you were getting canned, we just didn't know when.
Trust me, I didn't even know when.
Nice. It's got a nice bit of pull in fourth. It's slipping into fifth, mate. We'll just...
Yeah, you should be right. If you want to let it eat a little bit.
Let it eat, you reckon?
Yeah. I mean, don't go drastic, but just let it eat. Yeah, the fact that we can barely hear it, I'm stoked.
It is nice. It is nice to drive around and not be panicking that the Hawaiians are gonna...
It also helps being stock height. You don't got to worry about like potholes and bumps. And...
Yeah. Or exhaust scraping.
Yeah.
That's lovely.
But that'll conclude us, I think.
Be nice to hear back what it sounds like from the rear microphone.
Yeah, hopefully it worked. Otherwise we've just got 15 minutes of us driving around Nantucket. So we'll see you in the next one. Might be me washing the car, probably won't be. Peace out.
Could be no motor in it.
Yeah, probably no motor.